few days ago we were at Golfo Dulce. Now we are in the upper basin of Golfo Dulce. This is a tropical rainforest. As you can see, we have here about 100 hectares of forest, secondary, late secondary and primary forest. We protect this area because this is part of the basin that drains to Golfo Dulce. The best we can protect this, the best we can do to prevent erosion and sediments coming into rivers, better will be the Golfo, clearer will be the water, corals will have more possibilities, and all the animals that come to the Gulf will have a better environment to thrive at. We will be soon teaching tropical ecology courses. We will use this as a biological station, as a place where we will bring the students so they can learn about the tropical rainforest. We invite you to come. We'll be teaching those courses through Fundepos, and part of the time we will spend here at this area. We will also visit Golfo Dulce, so you will have a better idea of this connectivity we're talking about.